I would definitely recommend living here. The rooms are really nice. I feel really safe here, the staff on hand.
There's loads of shops and restaurants nearby, a few parks. It's really ideal being so central. There are several room types to choose from.
I've got a great big room, it's nice and spacious. I've got loads of storage, I've got a great wardrobe, I've got a bedside table, I've got a nice big bed. Every room comes with a desk, and I've also got a nice flat screen TV too.
My favourite bit about my room is probably the ensuite bathroom. It's really well furnished, really convenient, and the shower's fantastic.
I share a kitchen.
I've got a fridge, I've got a hob, a sink and a microwave, so you've got all the essentials that you need.
It's got plenty of storage so that everybody has enough space for all their food.
The Wi-Fi's great, it's quick, it's always available, so you can have it on all your devices, absolutely no issues.
Well, the laundrette is actually within the building downstairs, so it saves me having to go out anywhere and pay to use it anywhere else.
I feel really safe living here. There's CCTV outside and inside. You have to use your fob to get in, and then there's a key for your door. So you know you're not going to have a random person walk in off the street.
The staff here during office hours, they're really friendly and really nice. If you have any problems, any queries, you can go down and just speak to them and ask them anything.
It's really useful having all the bills included because you don't have to worry about anything. You can use it all as much as you like because it's all included as one price. It's really great being so central. You can walk 2 minutes down the road to Euston Square Station.
We're really nearby UCL. There's loads of restaurants, shops nearby, places to eat, so it's a great place to live in. There's plenty around.
I would really recommend Janet Poole House to other students. The rooms are fantastic, there's great internet, it's well furnished, the location is brilliant and it's well staffed, so it ticks all the boxes.
I love living in Janet Poole House. It's a great place to live. My room is lovely and the people here are really nice.